through, see what this castle is about. It's a cool one. Also Rapunzel's castle, not Cinderella's. Pretty sick. Okay.
It literally says
Nope.
Sleeping Beauty.
Never mind. Sleeping Beauty. Boom. There's actually things to do in here. Go walk up there. Can't do that in Magic Kingdom. The little stores in here. How about that? Wow. So yeah, this castle on the second floor has like a little walkthrough you can do, all Sleeping Beauty related and stuff. She is over there, sleeping. Yeah, this is all pretty freaking cool, man. The stained glass. You can go outside and just peer at shit. Look at that. Super cool. Damn. Up here, this just looks like a little town. So much better, more well-themed, I guess you could say, than Magic Kingdom. I mean, I know Magic Kingdom, their Fantasy Island's like the same theme, but I'm just saying, like, the attention to detail here is just better, in my opinion. So much better. Castle is starting to light up. And it looks good. That looks awesome, actually.
Souvent tendance à chercher la magie. Mais de temps en temps, c'est la magie qui nous trouve.
But every once in a while, magic finds us.
Il suffit d'un battement de cœur. À sa recherche et répandez-la autour de vous.
Find your magic, embrace it, and pass it on.